music. Gideon Coast solo this week. Mark returns next week. This can be, among others, for Derek in Edinburgh. The Twinsets recorded 3 Peel sessions, and they're now gathered together on a new LP on the Precious Recordings of London label, and we are featuring the middle of the 3, I believe. Either way, here's the first number from it. This is the Twinsets and Zippo.
Remember walking in the sand. Remember walking hand in hand. Remember the night was so exciting. Remember his smile was so inviting. Remember then he touched my cheek. Remember with his fingertips. Remember.
We scroll, skim and skim.